Kahit maputi.
Pag kinabahan ka, instrumental. Go ahead, sir.
Video. Papakita natin kala ate.
Ano pa lang yung picture ni nung kasal ni Eden? Nasaan ba kayo? Oo! Nasa picture.
Intended by God for the mutual joy. By their commitment to marry each other, they are entrusting themselves under the caring hand of God to bind them together for life. Marriage is not to be entered into unadvisedly or lightly, but reverently, deliberately, and in accordance with the purposes for it was instituted by God. Into this holy union, Anthony and Tina now come together to be one. If any of you can show just cause why they may not lawfully be married, speak now, or else forever hold your peace. Meron po bang tumututol sa kasalan na ito para malinaw ko? Pakitaas po ang kamay. Hindi po ako sa ito lang po. Nakatatali na hanap ko. Okay, kung wala po, palakpakan natin po ang Panginoon sa kanyang happy present, happy na ito. May I ask the question, who gives this beautiful woman to this handsome man? I do. Okay, Anthony, you can take your... say thank you to the parents. So Anthony can bring Tina to the place. We can all sit down and listen to the...
Faithfully commit my life to you according to God's covenant love, in trials and in triumph, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in death, till death do us part, according to God's covenant, holy law. This is my sincere promise.
Get another clap over you.
I'd just like to quote a passage from the Bible as I start to give you my vow from my heart. It says, charm is deceptive and beauty is fading, but the woman who fears the Lord shall be praised. Tina, I did not love you, and I don't just want to have you just because you are beautiful inside and out, not just because of the characteristics that you have. But I want to take you as my wife on this day because you have fear and love the Lord above everything else. A value that a woman should have, but only few possess. And to have you and love you, and to take you today as my wife, I am more than blessed. promise to take good care of you, to love you, to not take you for granted, to honor you, to be loyal to you, to be faithful to you. I dedicate my life to you. I love you.
Like what I've always tell you, you are a testimony of God's love to me. He gave you to me to make me realize that perfect love comes from above, from Him alone. Yes, we have disagreements, we have our own sides, we have our own failures. But I promise you that wherever you will go, I will go. That wherever you will stay, I will stay. And that wherever life will lead you, with all my heart, I will be there. I commit myself to you, to be submissive, to love and respect you, and to trust and support you at all times. You are my best friend. You are my partner. I love you with all of my heart.
Let's very to please come and bring the ring to the best man